What's up?
Get it up?
No.
Okay.
I'm going to go downtown.
Okay.
You want to go with me? You miss me?
Yeah.
No, you don't. Boys out here putting in work. They're putting in work out here. Got all these columns. We did the house and the walkway and everything over there, driveway, yesterday, or day before actually. They're cleaning these up and we're gonna actually apply a sealer to these. Yes indeed. Got Ron up here, he banging, doing his thing. Let's go.
Okay.
You say what now? You said the lady was satisfied?
Absolutely.
Why was she satisfied?
Because we did a good job.
Of course y'all did a good job.
Absolutely.
You all have been APP.
Absolutely.
You met this, you've been APP. You meet the standard, so you're gonna continue to meet the standards.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely.
It's all good, man.
Absolutely.
Teamwork make the dream work, bro.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Okay.
Gone.